Welcome to today's meditation to make someone think about you right now. Maybe it's an ex or a new partner you wish to attract, or maybe it's a family member or a friend. Whoever it is possible to connect with them right now and make them think of you right now. So find a comfortable and relaxing position and allow your eyes to close. Roll your shoulders back and release any tension that is in your body right now. Bring your attention to your breath in order to calm your mind. Take a deep inhale and a long, slow exhale. Allow yourself to fully relax now. Suspending all disbelief that anything like this can work, this can work, and this does work. Allow yourself to trust and believe that right now. Now place your left hand on your heart and your right hand on top of your left hand. This naturally allows your focus and energy to rest more on this point right now. Our heart is our center for connectivity, for love, and is perfect for this meditation right now. Now allow yourself to bring in the visual image of this specific person who you want to make think of you right now. Focus on as many physical details as you can. Their skin, their hair, their eyes, their smile. And allow yourself to feel any emotions that their presence will bring within you. Maybe it brings you a sense of warmth, a feeling of peace and happiness and ease. Whatever it is, allow yourself to feel that now. Allow yourself to be here feeling this person's presence. They are with you right now. Look into their eyes and know you can communicate with them right now. As you are looking at them, gazing into their eyes, you hear them say your name, and you see their happiness and the joy in their eyes as they say your name and look at you and feel your presence just as strongly as you are feeling theirs right now. They say your name again, and they say, I always think about you. I am always thinking about you. I think about you first thing in the morning when I wake up, and I think about you last thing at night before I go to sleep. I am always thinking of you. Hear them say this to you right now. And you know that they mean it. This is coming straight from their heart. And it is going straight into yours. I think about you all the time. Focus on their face and really visualize them saying to you, I think about you all the time. Maybe they are whispering in your ear. Maybe they are gazing into your eyes as they say it, but they say it and they mean it. I think about you all the time. You are the first thing I think of in the morning when I wake up. You are the last thing I think about before I go to sleep. I always think about you. And you believe them. You know this to be true just by looking into their eyes. Just by hearing the sincerity in their voice and seeing those words come from their lips so clearly, you know that this is true. And this makes you feel so loved and secure and happy and at peace. To know that this person is thinking about you. To know that all those times you were thinking about them, it was because they were thinking about you too. And now in this moment, wholeheartedly accept the thoughts you have are theirs also. That anything you are thinking about them, they are thinking about you. Because right now, in this moment, in this space, which transcends time and physical space as we know it, the two of you are permanently linked. You are connected. You are together. You are communicating as one. And know that any thoughts you have right now, any words that you hear are also coming from them. Allow yourself to believe in the power of your mind and in the power of your spirit and energy. Take the next few moments to communicate whatever you wish to communicate with this person. And allow yourself to hear whatever they wish to tell you right now. Allow this dialogue to flow. They are thinking of you right now. They are so grateful for you. They love you. Allow yourself to trust and flow with this dialogue. You don't need to think, just trust it. Trust in the power of the universe. Right now, your specific person is thinking of you, and you are communicating with them. Put a heart below in the comments to affirm this meditation, and know that you can come back here and communicate with them and feel what they are thinking about you at any time. When you feel ready, bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Open your eyes and have a beautiful day. Bye, my love. See you in the next meditation.